factor tree of 378. So 378, it can be written as 2 times 189. 2 times 189 means 378. 189, it can be written as 3 times 63. 3 times 63 means 189. 63, it can be written as 3 times 21. 3 times 21 means 63. Now 21, it can be written as 3 times 7. 3 times 7 means 21. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here are 2, 3, 3 and 7. So we can write 378 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 3 times this 3 times this 3 times this 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.